Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Kinyua and today we are doing a house hunting kind of a video. I am already at the premises. As you can see. This house is in Kileleshwa. It's a 2-bedroom house going for 62,000, which is inclusive of service charge, and the house is quite beautiful. I love it, I love it, I love it, and it's in a location where you can access the city simply, and it's near Junction Mall. That means that your shopping is sorted, and again it's near schools and hospitals and all that. And I don't want to tell you a lot about the house without me showing you the house. The house is going for 62,000, and let me just show you the house. Of the house, it has a small balcony over here, and that is the door to the house. The first room after the entrance is the sitting room, which is quite spacious, and again I love the color of this house. It's not your kawaida landlord paint, it's painted white, a thing that I love. I love the light fixtures, and this house has a lot of lighting because it has a lot of windows to it. Quite spacious, as you can see. Sorry, this house is not furnished, but as you can see, it can fit your couches so well. These ones will be taken out. And then there is the media station there, already made for you. The media station is already made for you. Where do you get this? I already love that. That is the media station with some shelves over there. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And then from the sitting room, it's the kitchen. This house is an open plan kind of a house. So that is the kitchen. Again, as you can see, the kitchen is quite spacious, and it has a lot of storage area. As you can see, those are some storage areas over there. Wow. And again, we have some more storage area over there. This is beautiful. And the storage areas are quite big. We have the kitchen window over there. So again, the room is well lit because we also have another window over there. Some more storage area. We have some more storage area over there. Some more storage area over there. Wow, this room is spacious and all your storage needs are sorted. Some more storage area over there. Some more storage area over there. And we have the kitchen countertops. Impressive. They are made of marble, which is good quality. So that is our kitchen. Sorry, there are some renovations going around here. That is why you see some takatas. That is the kitchen, enough to fit your 2-door fridge, your stove, and the space will still remain. That is the kitchen. So spacious. So from the kitchen we go to the first bathroom, and that is it. That is the bathroom. Again, as you can see, it's spacious, and the bathroom and the washroom are kinda separated. So that is your bathroom and your washroom. We have a sink and a mirror and a towel place over there. Then we go to the first bedroom, which is quite spacious too. And again, this room is well lit. As you can see, you have a big window over there, which is bringing a lot of natural lighting. Again, the light fixtures quite beautiful. Wow, those are our storage areas, all our closets, which are quite spacious. We have the top one. We have the top one and the bottom one, and they are spacious. We have some more storage space over there, and some drawers, more storage space for you. And then we have some shoe racks over there, so you don't have to be worried about where to put your shoes. That is already sorted for you. And then we go to the last bedroom, which is master and suite. That is it. Again, a lot of natural lighting for you. Wow, I love this house already. And some beautiful light fixtures over there, some more light fixtures over there. And then there is the closet space. This house has already taken care of your storage needs. It has a lot of storage areas, and when I say a lot, I mean a lot. Just look at that. More storage area for you. Oh, that is beautiful. Sorry about the noise. And again, more storage area for you. And then we have a mirror over there. You can use that for your makeup or something. It's beautiful. I am already having ideas. And then more storage area for you over there. And then there is the washroom. Wow, beautiful mirror over there. A sink, washroom, a towel space for you. Wow, this room is beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. As I have told you, this house is in Kileleshwa and it's going for 62,000, which is inclusive of service charge. So if you are interested in the house, I will leave some details on the description box below. This house is managed by Alliance Realtors, and you can also contact me. Beautiful. That is the kitchen. Just look at the sitting room from where I am standing. So big.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it's that. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew.